Ito na buhay, fried
Did you just drown our cute chicken? She's gonna be dead.
Gusto ko kapaliguan ha.
Don't you dare do it again.
Mamamatay ito. Sige.
It's not funny. Namamatay yan eh. How poor is our trip? Bad ka! How poor? Kawawa naman, di ba?
Rest muna siya dito.
Rest muna siya. It will dry soon. But yung mga bad go to hell. Di ba po?
Buti na buhay.
Buti na buhay pa eh. Our TV is off. Well,
Wala na, patay na.
is dead.